Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. We are in my car today. Hopefully it's not too loud in here. I feel like the road noise in my car is horrible, but I don't really have a choice because that's where we are. I am on my way to my sister's house. I feel like there's been so many things that have happened in the past little bit. So, my little sister, we just moved out. She lives like 15-20 minutes away from me now, which sucks, but we are on our way to her house. I'm bringing her this little cubby thing. My little sister is also pregnant, so we are doing her baby's closet today, hopefully running to Costco and just running some errands. But I wanted to bring you guys along with us because I'm so freaking excited to have another nephew. So I don't know what happened in my family. We were all girls for the longest time, and now that all of my sisters are having children, all we're getting is boys. So my half-sister has daughters, but yeah, my two sisters, all boys. My sister is 24 weeks along. Like I said, she's having a boy, and she's due, I think, like the first week of May. So we are so excited. I think she's supposed to be due like right around Mother's Day, which I think is the cutest thing ever. And anyway, we're all really excited. Okay, we just got here. I wanted to show you guys my new pair of shoes. This is gonna be difficult in the car. They are Jordan mids, Syracuse. They are so freaking cute. I'm obsessed with them. I gotta fix my socks before we go inside. But she is just renting out like the basement of this cute couple's new home. So it's new. They're the first people to live in it. So we will take you on a little tour. I gotta go inside because she's gonna yell at me for being late, even though I'm not late. But gotta get all of my beverages because I'm that girl. We are going inside. My sister and I are just about to start organizing things. But she is gonna take you on a little tour of her house. And hopefully this quality is fine because I'm definitely filming on my phone. So this is her little entrance. Her little dining room, kitchen area. Cute little entryway. She just hung her mirror. Tell us what you're doing.
I'm command hooking a calendar.
She's setting up a calendar. These are bins we got for underneath her sink, which I will show you guys because I think it's the most genius thing ever. Her little kitchen. She has a nice sized pantry.
Pringles cereal goldfish.
This is her little living room. And then she has this little dresser in here because the room's kind of small. And then in here is the baby's room, which I'm in the middle of hanging everything up. She has her little car seats. And this little cubby thing that I brought does not fit. I thought it would for sure fit. It doesn't fit in this closet, but just hanging up some stuff in here. Bathroom. Super cute light fixtures. And then her, you know, kind of sort of messy bedroom. Okay, these are those Bright Room stackable bins we got from Target. I have it set up just like this at my house. I take two of them, stack them one on top of the other, and then I put like the garbage bags, things like that in the bottom, and then sprays and all of your cleaning supplies in the top. Okay, this is what it's looking like. The stackable bins. We have garbage bags. The Costco size ones fit like perfectly in here too, in case you were wondering, but we have the garbage bins, big and little, and then her Swiffer extras. All of her sprays for dishes and her Clorox wipes, extra sponges, magic erasers, and then I just left the dishwasher stuff right here. And then we hung up her cute little gloves. They have more little hooks at Target we maybe should have got that would hang counter sprays and stuff like that, but it looks much, much better. We're going through baby clothes. Show us.
I'm proud that my daddy does not shoot blinks. Isn't that disgusting? They're gonna hate
We're hanging up all of my sister's
Sleepers.
baby clothes.
Sleepers.
Is there more under here?
The baby doesn't need any more clothes, in case anybody was wondering. She hasn't had a shower.
I ordered a bunch of stuff this weekend.
What is your favorite outfit that you have so far? Like, what is the number one thing you're excited to put him in?
Like his bring home outfit.
I don't have his bringing home outfit yet. I know what it is. I don't have it yet. I don't know. Probably, I don't know. The little sleeper, these little knotted gowns are cute.
Oh no, these all need to go hang hung up. These are 3 to 6 though. Do you want them even out?
That's so cute. And then you tie it in.
Stop, that is so cute.
And then there's a black one. And then mom's got one that's just,
This one?
I forgot about that yellow thing.
Holy cow.
And you tie it.
That is so cute.
Where did it go?
We're filming for the YouTube channel.
Everybody was like, "Who got this? Was it Barrett?"
I think
That
so,
one's
yeah.
a baby size.
That one's funny.
You don't shoot guns, so it's not as funny as it could be.
I think that's what makes it even funnier.
Okay. Now that Morgan is gone,
Mm-hmm.
I would like to know, what were you actually thinking when Morgan told you that she was pregnant?
When she was making me guess.
Okay, first of all, these are the wrong direction. Tell us what you
What
were
I
actually thinking.
Well, once she said, "Mom, guess," I'm like, I think I'm gonna make her tell me. I think I know.
My little sister would not tell my mom.
She just said,
She
"Mom,
was like,
I
Mom,
gotta
you're
talk
just
to ya."
gonna have to guess. You're gonna have to guess what's going on.
Yes. And I'm like, guess what? What am I gonna guess? I don't have any idea. So I went through random stuff
That is so funny.
because I knew what it was, but I'm like, I'm not gonna make her tell me.
Just left my sister's house. It was getting a little chaotic, so it just gets too hard to film when there's so many people around, I feel like. My dad came over, there was so many people over, my mom came over, Carter, her boyfriend, got home, so it was getting a little crazy, but we did finish. We used literally all of the hangers that she had, so that's pretty much all we can do today. Target didn't have a ton of bins either, but we did get most everything hung up, other than her little sleepers. But yeah, she has way too much stuff for not even having a shower yet. She's bought so many things. But we did go to Target. We didn't get to go to Costco, so hopefully we'll get to go do that sometime this next week, and I'll try to film that. But they have like these massive candles, like the ones that are normally $100, that are just huge at Costco for $34. So we're gonna try and see if we can find those. I will be filming quite a few videos upcoming. I'm gonna do one on like health and fitness, because I was thinking back, this time last year I weighed 20 pounds more, which is crazy. I don't know. I feel like it was distributed decently well. I just never had like a more fit, toned body, and I've been working so freaking hard, eating super clean other than today. I've not been eating clean whatsoever today. We went and had breakfast and I got French toast and bacon, but I'm going to be filming that video. There's quite a few things I want to be filming. I wasn't feeling very inspired to film on YouTube after I watched this video where someone was like, YouTube is dying and nobody's watching YouTube videos anymore. But I love watching YouTube. I watch YouTube videos all day long, even if I just turn them on in the background and play them and listen to them and don't actually watch them. I just like it. I've decided that I'm going to continue to film even if other people think that it's dead, because I enjoy it. Also, hopefully going to be getting a new car soon, and maybe I'll film that process. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys want to see, but don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave so you don't miss out on any of those upcoming videos. And